This is the Compressor Guru. The camera wife and I would like to thank the veterans of the armed services for their sacrifice, for their duty, for their time, for their courage, for all the things that make our armed forces great. Thank you. You may go, this isn't a normal episode, bud. No, it's not. My dad was in the 101st Airborne. I never served because there was no need, because we've had a peaceful nation the entire time when I was eligible to join. That doesn't take away my respect for the veterans. Thank you, guys. Some of you are spending the day with me. We're going for a ride. We're meeting up in Clearfield, and we're going to ride for a couple hours, and we're going to have lunch, and then we're going to have a relaxing ride back to the area. We've done this for maybe 13, 14, 15 years, and we're going to continue to do it. The weather looks fabulous, so we are going for a ride. No commercials today, no parts sales, no technical advice. Just a sincere, heartfelt thank you to the armed services of the United States of America. God bless.